Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you how you can enjoy reading Bible and the kind of like the tips that I got for you and how you can have this kind of like the pleasant experience. So the most important thing is cheap dopamine, and I'm going to explain. All the TV show, movies, all the games, music, pornography, also social media, short videos, everything that actually like distracts you in a way, distracts you when you want to read Bible. These kind of like cravings that we have, like sugar, coffee, that we are not capable of really focusing on for like hours on a thing that even when it's like good for us because we are addicted. So it's not like, oh my god, what kind of trick I'm going to do. It's about like what it's like there is this saying about the gardener, right? And you know how the gardener like got like wonderful flowers and everything? The gardener got wonderful flowers only because he takes care about everything around the flower. Yes, the water, but it's like also like the ground and everything is taken care of. Then the flower can like expand. It can be beautiful. Therefore, in the moment when we are going to remove the things that are slowing us, that are like bad for our focus, then we can actually find the time and we can actually find the energy to be able to focus on things that matter to us for a longer time. And this is very important. And now, another thing is that there is a wonderful saying that silence is language of God. And everything else is just a poor translation. Now, this, I know this is like very bold sentence, but this is just something that I have just like encouragement to try. Because, it's like there is a saying in Christianity, like sitting in a God and being one with the God. And how we can become one with the God. Through books, we can get insights. But through the silence itself, when the mind is quiet, when all the identities are more quiet, and we are diving further into ourselves, then is like when there is a saying that you are like, I am not a drop in the ocean. I am the whole ocean in the drop. And do you see that? And the realization that you are the whole ocean gives a lot of freedom inside. And that's pretty much it. So hope this video provided a little bit of value. And then it's like very easy to focus on reading the Bible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.